everyone, welcome back to our channel. It's Bella here. In today's makeup tutorial, I created this glitter crease smoky wing look for you guys, and I used the Huda Beauty Topaz Obsessions palette. So if you want to see how I achieve this look, then just keep on watching. So the first thing that I did was I grabbed my Huda Beauty Overachiever Concealer as a primer. So I just applied that all over my eye, and then I blended it out with a damp beauty sponge, and then I set that in place with some translucent powder, and that just helps us blend our eyeshadows. So first I went into this yellow-orange shade in the palette, and I grabbed a big fluffy brush and I just started to put that in my crease, going in back and forth motions as my transition shade. You don't have to be too specific with this step because we're just adding it all over the general crease area. And then next I grabbed the warm orange shade and I grabbed a defined angled brush, and I just started to put that in my crease, going in back and forth motions, and I drew that line a little bit above my actual crease. And yeah, and then I went back into that yellow orange shade and a fluffier brush just to really buff all those shades together and to blend out that line in our crease. Next, I'm taking a defined angled brush and I'm picking up the dark matte brown shade in the palette, and I'm just putting that shade directly over where we applied the orange shade previously, just going in back and forth motions, starting to add depth in the crease, and then I went ahead and applied that dark brown shade to the wing area as well, just going in little back and forth motions to smoke it upwards at the same time. And I also went in with a fluffy brush and the crease just to really blend out that matte brown shade before I went in with the smoky liner. And next I'm grabbing my BH Cosmetics Smoky Gold Glitter and my NYX Glitter Glue, and I'm just applying that glitter directly on the inner part of my crease. And as we get to the outer lid area, I'm just slowly tapering off the glitter because I do want it to be the most intense in the inner part of the lid. And then for lashes, I went in with my Sofie Bali Lashes in the style Bali. These are one of my favorite styles from our whole collection, and I will definitely be linking them in the description box down below. And then I went back into that first transition shade and I started to apply that all over my lower lash line. And then going back into that orangey shade and taking a little tiny bit of that matte brown shade as well. I'm just going to be focusing that on the outer portion of my lower lash line, but keeping it really close to the lashes. And then lastly, I just went in with some lower lash mascara, and this is the finished look, guys. I really hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, please make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel so that you never miss a video. Also, turn your post notifications on and comment done down below after to automatically be entered in all of our future giveaways. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will be seeing you in the next one. Bye!